Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? All right, guys, I'm back with Impact Mailing Club. Before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor. Click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Okay? Who's ready to start making some money? Okay, going into the new year, you can start now. You don't have to wait to 2020. You can start today. Okay, matter of fact, Impact Mailing Club has a great promotion. They have two promotions actually starting December 1st. Okay, I'm going to put the link below so you can go check it out. I made a little quick video for you so you can go check it out. Okay, and get started and take advantage of that promotion. All right. This is a simple program, guys. All you need to do is mail like this letter. See this letter I have here? You'll have your own letter, or you can mail the postcards. Okay, they have postcards as well. Okay, you can make anywhere from $65, $150, $300, and $1,000. Okay, by simply mailing. When people buy those packages, okay, when they buy the leads, because that's what Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail company that sell lead packages, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. These people have actually raised their hand and said, hey, send me some information, okay, on how to make money from home or make money online, okay? So these are targeted people, okay? So when people buy the lead packages, okay, from you, from your letter or your postcard, you in turn receive a commission, okay? And you're going to be paid directly from the person that joins you. This is a member-to-member program, okay? You're paid directly from the person that joins you. There's no middleman. It comes directly from that person, okay? So you can get started for as low as $100, guys. 100, 250, 500, or 2,000. You decide, okay? Easy, simple program. I have a customized letter, cover letter I'll give you so that you can put your picture on it when you mail your letter. Okay, I also have customized envelopes, okay? And a sales funnel for those of you that's wanting to promote this online. I have a sales funnel already set up. All you have to do is plug right into it. All right? So if you're ready to get started, Christmas is right around the corner. Okay? If you're ready to get started doing this, it's a simple business. All you have to do is remain consistent. Okay? It's a no-brainer. You don't have to do a lot of thinking. All you need to do is mail. Okay? The more you mail, the more leads you're going to get in, and eventually leads turn into sales. Okay? So if you're ready to start receiving commissions in your mailbox, okay, get started with me. Get started with me in Club Cash Fund. As you can see, my little mailbox there, my little Christmas mailbox. Okay, if you're ready to get started, give me a call, but check out the website first. Jot down your questions. I'll be happy to work with you. And I'm going to match the leads. Okay, that's my other bonus. Doesn't matter which one of these packages you come in at. Whatever the company gives, I'm going to match. Okay? So, go ahead and click that link. Get started today. Get your new year started off right. Okay? Make 2020 the best year ever. All right? So, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside of Impact Mailing Club. All right? You guys have a blessed day.